Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix SIM card not detected in Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you're using Galaxy S24 FE and you're facing the issue that your SIM card is not detected, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to settings here and go to connections. Try to enable and disable your flight mode so it will make a quicker refresh with your network setting including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular and mobile network services. Then go to mobile networks here, go to this network mode and select LT preferred from here for both things. Click on network operators and here with which SIM you're facing the issue like the SIM 1 or SIM 2, just disable this to select automatically and select your SIM manually from here. Once I have done, it will also help you to fix out your issue. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to go ahead to settings and here go to apps here, and in apps click on the search option and just search for SIM. You might see SIM toolkit or SIM 1 or SIM 2. You just have to select that here and just scroll down, go to storage here, click on clear cache and click on clear data. Once you have done, it will also help you to fix out your issue. If you're still facing the same issue, go to settings here, and in settings you have to go to software update section. Make sure that your software is up to date. You might have an pending software update for your phone. If you might have, just have to update your phone. Once you have done, just go back and this time you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so the best setting or the best way or the best method you can try, the very first thing you can try to restart your phone. After restarting, I recommend you have to plug your SIMs out, and after plugging your SIMs out, you have to clean your SIM with a clean cloth. Once you have cleaned, reinsert in your phone, and this time you will not get that issue again. If you're still getting the same issues, there's a perfect fix. Go to settings here, go to the general management, go to reset, select reset mobile network settings, select your SIM, it might be SIM 1 or SIM 2, select the SIM, click on reset setting, click on reset again. It will reset your mobile network setting, your SIM settings, so it will help you to fix out your issue. After resetting your setting, I recommend you have to restart your phone, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again.